Welcome to this special Thanksgiving class. Today, pumpkin spice, which is very essential for the holidays. So we're going to start by mixing these ingredients. So here we have a little bit of cinnamon, that actually is my favorite. And we're going to use today a blender, and just we're going to add all the powders. You will see that it's easier. Now, clove powder, a little bit of ginger powder too, ground black pepper, and nutmeg. In this case, you can use powder or you can use a whole nutmeg, just you need to use a cheese grater and grate it like this, just grind it. Now we're gonna blend it to get a uniform consistency. In a blender, very dry and very clean. That is pretty important too. Oh. Now just we're gonna pour in a glass like this one. You can use a mason jar, a regular jar, and just keep it in your counter as long as you want. Now you can use this beautiful powder to get pumpkin bread, pumpkin ice cream, pumpkin pie, even a pumpkin shake. So today we're gonna make also a pumpkin shake with this powder. So we're gonna start by using coconut milk for your shake. Obviously you can use almond milk if you want. One teaspoon of monk fruit. 3/4 scoop. In this case, I'm using vanilla flavor of protein powder. Our pumpkin spice, we're gonna use just 3/4 teaspoon, just like that. And we're gonna finish with a little bit of ice cubes. Ooh. Remember that we have allowed downstairs in the dining area this beautiful shake for you. And then just we're gonna blend it. And now we are ready to celebrate. Thanks for watching and happy Thanksgiving.